faves, it's Sam. So today I have another Amazon home haul for you guys. I got some really awesome things. I got some furniture, some kind of like gadgety things for filming. I'm gonna be showing you guys everything that I got from Amazon this time around. Everything will be linked in my Amazon storefront. I will also have it linked down below in the description box and pinned to a comment. Okay guys, so the first thing I did was grab another light because honestly these are just the best filming lights for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. They're just so good. I love them. They just clip onto your phone or your camera viewfinder. They're just so amazing. This is my fourth light, you guys. I have one just so I can keep it at this house for when I'm in here filming. It is just so good. Let me take it off and you guys can see how much better it looks with it on. That's no light.
So that's lights on in the house.
This is lights on.
Off.
So you can see how much darker it was.
Yeah.
But you really can't tell
on in the house
when the lights are off because this light is so good.
Crazy.
So that's the very first Amazon find that I absolutely love. The next thing I got were these microfiber cleaning cloths. They kind of look like, they almost look like snake skin or something. You get a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they look like that on one side, and then on this side, it looks like it's a little bit smoother. But these are really nice for just like wiping the counters down. And they're really great for stainless steel, and they're a nice nude color, so I like that. I also got this ring light. So this is cool because you can actually film with 2 devices at the same time. And then this one actually comes, oh, I've already forgotten how to use it here.
So it comes all the way up.
Oh.
Well, this comes off.
Okay.
And then this comes way up.
Oh, wow.
And then
oh, that's right.
Down.
It points down so that if you want to film a nail tutorial or cooking or swatches.
With your light.
Let's turn on the light.
Yep. And then when you're finished with it, it just goes down, you give a little tug up, and then it folds away.
Whoa.
Yeah, and then put this in a little...
That's so cool. Doink, doink. And then we'll push it down a little bit like that. And then down like that. And then this one, the light can change. It can go brighter.
Now let's see
it can also change the tones, which you go like, that's kind of like more warm. And you have like a more blue and then the regular. But you can make them nice and bright if you want to. Oh, look at that.
That's what it looks like with the phone on. You guys probably have better cases than mine because mine's just all black.
Nice.
But that's what it looks like. Or
yeah.
Other side around where it's a big case.
And then this can kind of like tilt back and forward. If you take this off, like let's just say that you're filming just with this one, then it does rotate all the way like that. Like you can rotate it all the way down if you want to, but you could have it like that, or you can have it all the way up. And then this, oops, just clicks on just like that. Okay, next I got these bar stools, and I think these are such a good price. They look really nice. They're super sleek, easy to wipe down if you have kids. These were $1.99 for the pair of 2, basically $100 per bar stool. They do have plastic on the bottom, so they're not going to scratch your floor. This is what the actual seat looks like. So again, they're faux leather. You can easily wipe them down if you have kids. I mean, they are white, so I don't know how they're going to work with jeans and stuff. That's going to be something that I'm going to have to, you know, hopefully not figure out the hard way, but you never know with white. Sometimes it's like when you get cars that have white interior, they can get a little bit stained, and that's kind of annoying. But yeah, I think for the price, they're awesome. I love that I can wipe them down, and I love that they were so affordable, and they were really easy to put together as well. I put them all together myself. So another amazing Amazon find that is easy to put together, affordable, and very chic. And then from this angle, this is what they look like. I'm really impressed with them, very happy. The next thing I got was this nude colored mop, which is really pretty. When I first built it, I forgot a piece and I thought it was miniature, but it's not. It's a regular full-size mop. The handle has the little squirty thing to squirt out the solution. You also have this little kind of like scrubby thing right here for like really hard on the floor stains, or like, you know, if things have dried down and stuck there or something. You've got your little solution tank. It's not the biggest. I think this could definitely be a bit bigger, but for the price, it's not terrible. The mop pads are removable so that you can easily wash them, and it does come with 3 different ones, and they're really easy. They just Velcro right on. Okay, I also got this, what are they called? I don't really know, but it has lots of different plugs. And then it also has the USB and a USB-C. So they've got 3 USB and then 1 USB-C and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different plugs, which is really nice because you can fit a lot of stuff in there. And then I also got this desk chair, and this is really nice and wide. It doesn't have wheels, but for the price you really can't beat it because I think it's $89. I was thinking it was $99, but I'm pretty sure it was $89.99, which is a really good deal for a desk chair because they can really be pricey. And you could always just put a little, I mean, there is plastic on the bottom, but you could always just put a little bit of felt down on the bottom just to make sure you're not like ruining your floor. They haven't scratched at all, but just in case. But it's a really nice wide seat. It's like a really beautiful cream, kind of like, it's got a little bit of tan and then cream, and then it's got no arms. The back is not terribly tall, but not terribly short. It's actually really, really comfortable. And it's nice because if you do have a desk that's a little bit shorter, because there's no arms, you can easily tuck it in and it goes all the way under. And it looks really nice. It's just a nice neutral one. And then I love that it has the black legs. I also bought this chair, which is an Amazon chair, which I can link for you guys. And it's like a cute little like faux fur, like almost like rabbit, like faux rabbit fur little chair. And it's perfect for like a corner in a bedroom. I also got some bedding. This is a down comforter. Yeah, down comforter. Some sheets, some king pillows. So you guys know I had that bench in the other room. Well, once there's a mattress and everything, I thought this would actually be really cute at the end of the bed because the whole, like everything in here is gonna be like black, and then this kind of like, I don't know what the color wood is, but the drawers are a little bit stiff, not gonna lie. They're kind of like, do you know what I mean? They're not gliding the greatest, so it does reflect the price. But if you're looking to stage a home and no one's gonna need, like, they're stiff. So keep that in mind. It's probably good for staging. So if you're looking to stage a home and you know it's not gonna get like a ton of use as far as the drawers go, they look really cute and they're not expensive. It kind of has like a woodish grain kind of look to it, but it is black. And then they come in numerous colors. You can get white, you can get, I think all of the wood color. There's like a few different options, and the legs are really cute. So it looks really good, but functionality, the drawers, they need to glide better. Like they do not glide good. So that would be the only thing I would complain about. Basically like IKEA, like it just takes a long time to put everything together, but it looks really cute and I think it's gonna look really good. So we have one going in on either side, and then on this wall, there's gonna be like a long dresser here. This is really cute. It's super affordable. It's actually like almost the exact same color as our floor. It's from Plank and Beam Furniture. You have like a tight entryway. It's nice and narrow. So if you're wanting to have like a little entryway place, I mean, this one's actually quite wide, so I could have actually done wider. If you do have a narrow entryway, this would be perfect because it doesn't take up too much, you know, it doesn't come out so far. And then you've got like a little shelf on the bottom as well, which is really cute. So I actually feel like it fits perfectly over here. And then it kind of ties in the colors of the chairs and like the little beige bowl and everything. And it's like literally exactly the perfect size. I keep on forgetting to bring the hammer down, but that needs to be hung up on the wall. So that table looks great there. I'm so happy with that. So cute. So here is what we got done today. So both the dressers are done. These drawers actually go in a little bit easier than the other drawers. I don't know why, like those ones glide a lot better than this. I'm wondering if it's because it's so wide. So that one actually like glides out a little bit better. See what I mean? Much easier than the other one. So I would say if you're looking for functionality, that one glides a lot better, but everything looks cute and of course it matches. So now there's that one there, and then We've got the two nightstands. The bed is Amazon. And then over here, I've actually set up like a little vanity station, like vanity filming station. Everything matches and it's just like a whole, other than the mattress and like bedding and decor, this room is done. I also need a rug. I feel like it's actually looking really cute. Really liking the vibes. Last but not least is this little shoe rack. I can't remember if I've shown this or not, but it's amazing because it holds a lot of shoes. Maybe I have. I cannot remember. Anyway, I've put it right, we always come in through the garage, so I've put it here now. I used to have it by the front door. No, I think I have shown it. Okay, anyway, whatever. It holds 3, 6, 9, 12 pairs of shoes, and then you can also stick sandals underneath. And it takes up so little room. So if you do have like a tight space, this is amazing. You could put this in a closet. You could put it by your front door. You could obviously put it like where you come in through the garage. We don't have like a whole lot of space in this house. So this is like really nice because then, you know, everyone has their, like I have the top rack, Jay has the second rack, Phoenix has the third rack, Lily has the fourth rack, and it holds a lot of pairs of shoes. So really highly recommend this. I love this. And I think that's everything for now, guys. There's my Amazon haul. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.